let's get right into it. All right. So very simply, we're seeing this grind up market. Very, very lackluster trading out of the indices. We just continue to grind higher. It's not as easy as it looks. The leadership is not very broad. We're seeing money rotate in between different sectors pretty often, and we're really only seeing the strongest stocks within those sectors really take this market higher. Even today, we're up 0.12%, but there's a lot of weakness out there. We head over to the Qs, and we got some information out of the Qs today. So very, very weak day out of the Qs. Right? We take a look over the heat map, and we can just see how weak tech truly was today. And then we look over at consumer defensive. It's all these, all these value stocks, all cyclical names, things like that. And it has a lot to do with this infrastructure bill. So we got a huge $1 trillion package that was finally passed today. This has been in the works for months. And where's all this money going? We look at this. A bill includes $110 billion funding for roads, bridges, major projects. There's all these things in the deal that we have to look into. But what we care about is, does the market care? And the market screamed at us today that it clearly cares. Look at the industrials. You look at the railroads down here, very green. Anything travel related was very green. So, you definitely have to take that information into account with how the market's looking.